Gusto niyo yun, wala pa akong lipsticks, hindi pa ako tapos mag-makeup. And I am with, hindi ko siya matawag na Michelle kasi parang, ako. Ay, sa taas ba?
Wait lang. It's like this every day. I decided on an eyeshadow palette. It's eye time, and a lip palette. It's lip time, and it's kind of fun wording with it's shooting time. I chose colors that I thought every woman would use, or man, that that it's kind of universal and you could transition from day to night. So I have like the nude colors, the rosy, and then you have the deep berry and the reds, which I love berries and reds.
And you personally picked the shade names, right?
Yes, I did. So I wanted to incorporate my family in there. So I named some of the lip shades Juliana Bear, Kira Bear, Mia Bear, and some of the, the fun words like aw snap or bing. B did it. Yeah, B did it. And it was actually because one day, for a while, the girls were blaming their Barbie on anything. Like, they were tearing up their books in the room, and I said, who did it? And they said, Barbie did it. So, for legal reasons, I couldn't use the word Barbie because it's trademarked, so I just did B did it. And people were like, you should have just called it Benjita, the red. So I regret not calling it Benjita, but maybe a future Pixie collaboration. And then the eyeshadows are like, every day I love nudes and bronze and like the warm tones, so I added that. And that's also a palette that you can use from day to night, and I'm so excited for you guys to finally try it, and you guys are the first in the Philippines to have it. So
Sana nga malapitan namin si Judy kasi wala lang, syempre ang saya pag na-meet namin siya face to face. Face to face talaga. Pero maganda opportunity na rin na nakapunta kami dito, di ba? Oo. So yan, thank you so much Adobe Studios
Thank you so much
sending
for
us
Adobo Family
here.
and Live.
Chika ko lang na nakakuha tayo nung Pixie palette. Excited na ako kasi sobrang ganda ng colors niya. And more chika about the palette when I get home. Ganon. Ayan, mamimit na namin si sobrang excited.
Pinaglaban talaga namin na makita siya.
Yes, hindi pwedeng hindi, no? Tsaka, wala lang, chika ko lang din na nalaglag. Nakita ni Rai, nakakahiya. Siya pa ang pumikap sa akin, Diyos ko Lord. Hirap naman talaga ng buhay, oh. Ayan, so malapit na kami. Sobrang daming beauty vloggers, nakakatuwa. Siyempre, nakakatuwa na naalala pa rin nila ako. So, oh my goodness. Na-meet ko na rin si Jessica for the first time. Yan, tsaka si Miss Ann Clute. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya nakausap. Kita ko lang siya face to face. She's so pretty. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yan. So, at least mabilis-bilis tayo nakapila.
Yes.
Ayan na, malapit tayo. Malapit na rin ng vlog ulit. Diyos ko Lord. Ay, hindi ko na vlog, no? Ay, sorry. Ito kasi yung sapatos ko eh. Napakagaling. Yan. Prone to laglag. Huwag lang ako malaglag sa stage. Yan. Malapit na kami. Ay, ako na yung next siya. Oh my God. So nervous. I just have a few questions for you, so
Okay.
let's have a
Alright.
fast talk. So, eyeliner or mascara?
Eyeliner.
Lipstick or blush?
Lipstick.
Liquid or powder foundation?
Liquid.
Contour or highlight?
Contour.
One product that you will have to use for the rest of your life?
Eyeliner.
Yes! And your favorite shade from the It's Beauty Time palette?
Oh!
It's so hard!
It's Mommy's Life.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much! So, ayan. Buti na ilaban ko yung pasto. Siyempre, with the help of Michelle, diba? So, yan, mag-subscribe kayo sa channel na Michelle Family Vlog. Makikita niyo ang kanilang family vlog. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Tapos ngayon, wala kami ng pag-asa kay Benji.
Naghintay kami.
Okay lang, ganyan naman tayo. Kailangan natin mag-abang. Ayan. O sige, pas muna tayo. Para so ganda yung lighting. Charot. Sobrang nakaka-humbling experience din talaga kasi she's so humble. Tapos kung ano, kahit inambush ko siya ng interview, grabe, di ba? Sobrang sport niya. So, thank you so much, Judy.
Galing mo talaga.
Yan, so paalis na kami sa event. Ayan. So, ready. Na ang meet and greet with is Judy Dayan. Thank you.
Tinangisan ako ng todo.
Diba? Na-feel ko yung kamay niya sobrang lamig.
Oo nga.
And thank you Chicken Pork or Adobe Studios for having us.
Family. And kay Lai, thank you Lai.
And syempre expect a review and a look from the It's Judy's It's Eye Time palette. Sobrang excited ako kasi sobrang ganda nung palette niya. As in, oh my god, sobrang wearable lahat. So sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit very short lang tong video na to. And very short ang fast talk kasi nga fast talk. So, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Subscribe to my channel.